Hello, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to talk about DePIN space, the sector in which decentralized physical infrastructure networks are going to play a big, huge role in 2024. If it didn't in 2023, because it was just emerging. Now this year, it will be huge and much better. So the first one up is HighMapper. If you haven't heard of my HighMapper, feel free to check out my other videos talking about HighMapper and how much you can earn in passive income simply by driving your vehicle. Keep in mind, I don't drive a lot, but I do earn quite a bit just by simply driving around. Feel free to use my 10% off coupon code at checkout. Use coupon code Diego to get 10% off your HighMapper dashcam. Currently, there are two cameras. The first one is the one I'm currently using. The second one is more expensive, but it does record 4K video. Keep in mind, no matter which camera you choose, they will both earn the same amount of honey. With my daily routine, coming from home, work, groceries, like getting out some takeout or getting some boba. Not as much as before, but yeah, it's always better to keep moving ahead and continue forward because the road keeps on going. The HighMapper dashcam, all you need is your HighMapper dashcam, your phone, and then just Wi-Fi. Once you get home, you upload the pictures, or you can just do it on through your phone using your carrier, mobile phone carrier. HighMapper is pretty much like a decentralized Google for Street View and Google Maps. If you purchase a HighMapper dashcam, then you're eligible to receive, so from January 1st to January 31st, you're eligible to receive 1,000 honey as a bonus. So if you receive it for this month of January, then you're eligible. You can see here we have the Explorer map. Here is Explorer for HighMapper. Currently there's a huge demand going worldwide, little by little, growing every single day, non-stop. Here's just a glimpse of the US, how you can see the major highways are also being mapped daily. Western side of the US, we could also have a huge amount HighMappers mapping the streets, highways, and those small roads. Hugely densely populated areas do earn good amount of honey, especially if you're a trucker, because truckers are always on the road and always keeping the maps updated on the highways, which is great for high mapping, and they earn honey in return. So the more you drive, the more you'll earn, especially if you're in remote areas. Like here, for example, you could see here, hasn't been mapped in a while. Parts that are grayed out are not mapped at all due to possibly lack of GPS or just haven't gone through, but it looks like they have. As you can see, this faint purple, they possibly gone through here, but lack of GPS, maybe the signal has gone so weak that it couldn't receive it. So unfortunately, the HighMapper who drove through here wasn't rewarded in honey tokens. So feel free to check out my video on how to increase your GPS signal while driving for HighMapper, and also improves your GPS coordinates when you use Google Maps, for example, or Waze, or any other GPS enabled application from your phone. As I was uploading my photos to HighMapper, I was screen recording my trip that I did, and yeah, it does work. And those spots are just pretty much telling you my route that I took on the highway. Here's an example of how it looks like. It's a solid line, no gaps in between. When you use the GPS repeater booster that I bought separately to enhance my driving with HighMapper. So with every picture that's with the GPS lock on it, you do earn honey tokens. But if you don't have a GPS lock as you drive, unfortunately you won't be rewarded in honey, so you'll be receiving less honey. And the link will be in the description for that video, and check it out. There will be a lot of demand, and there's already some demand already, since you are rewarded in honey tokens for those pictures that are fresh for utility companies, insurance companies, and as well as for development and real estate and much more. Another DePIN project is Deeper Network. Decentralized Web3 infrastructures for the users, by the users, made by the user. If you'd like to know more about Deeper Network, check out my video playlist all about Deeper Network and its benefits of using a decentralized virtual private network device. As internet gets more restrictive in countries, states, provinces, different regions in the world, there's always going to be a benefit to using a DPN or a VPN, decentralized virtual private network, which in recent times is increasingly getting better and better. And unfortunately, countries are being more restrictive if it's exchanges, cryptocurrencies, and other projects that are getting more demand for users to use while being online. That is why the use of DPNs are increasing every year due to high demand for the crypto space and decentralized sector. Same goes with the right of privacy. Nothing gets logged or used while you're using the DPN. That is why I do enjoy using my Deeper Network devices as much as I can. At the same time, helping the network while also getting rewarded in DPR. That is why the DePIN sector, especially for DPN or VPN, will keep growing massively every year, and will be getting recognized throughout the world as more users recommend and refer friends and family to the Web3 space. Nole is a decentralized Web3 application that brings Web3 to the physical world by just using your mobile phone or mobile device. So pretty much you earn rewards by doing so. If you'd like to know more about Nole, I have a link in the description to talk about simply Nole itself and how you can start earning passive income while you're on the go, at work, doing physical activities or any activity in the world. And which is nice because you do earn rewards at the same time just by having your phone's Bluetooth turned on. Securely communicates with other devices, IoT devices, and it acts as a node. The more people join, the more powerful the network becomes. Using the smartphone as a node, and you earn rewards in the Nole's native token, NODL, and you earn passive income. It's one of my many passive income streams that I use every day, even while I'm sleeping. And that's the goal to achieve. Start making passive income even when you're sleeping, away, and doing the stuff you like to do. Next one up is Geonet. Geonet is a DePIN Web3 crypto project that I have been involved in for over a year now, and it pays me to have it mounted on my rooftop for GNSS data. Geonet is on a mission to provide dense real-time geospherical data from the Earth and the atmosphere using rooftop-mounted space weather station. DePIN does pay. If you'd like to know my total earnings and how much I made in DePIN for December, check out the video description below. Currently, as I record this video, there's 3,888 miners worldwide in 1,700 cities, 103 countries, and 250,000 in usage revenue, which I love to hear. So it's a real project. If you have a rooftop, you may join. This is the way. Geonet station mines satellite navigation signals to form a real-time data source. After registration on the network, a qualified miner node will be monitored by the proof accuracy system, and miners will be rewarded proportional to their data quality and uniqueness of location. Rewards are distributed daily using the Geonet token. You may earn up to 48 Geonet per day if you're using a triple band miner, or a 24 Geonet tokens a day with a dual band miner, which I currently have. Soon I'll change it to a triple band miner to earn 48 Geonet tokens a day. Don't forget to like this video if it's useful or helpful in any way. My fourth project is Helium. My Bobcat 300 miner still mines, just not HNT anymore. It now mines IoT tokens. I've been saving them till the price of IoT spikes up and see what happens. I've never unplugged it because thinking long term, I thought one day it'll be different in the bull run. Like previous cycles, they do repeat if you're looking at it with precision, of course. But don't listen to me, I'm just a kid on the internet who enjoys daily crypto passive income in the Web3 space. I'm still holding until the bull run starts to sell off my tokens. Next project is WeatherXM. WeatherXM is a community-powered weather network that rewards weather station owners and provides accurate weather services to individuals, businesses, and research organizations. I've been using WeatherXM for some time now, and currently they're in testnet, so it's a great time. So I'm still early in the project that I'm earning WeatherXM WXM tokens while they're testing out their instrumentation metrics, while at the same time providing improvements to their network. Mainnet is set to fire off in the second half of February of this year, as stated in their Discord, with bonus airdrops to beta testers, which is nice. So it helps to be early. Check out my video for WeatherXM in the description below. Next project is PlanetWatch. I currently have 2 outdoor air sensors earning planets every day. PlanetWatch is building a hyper-local air quality data from devices deployed on the ground level, rely on real-time data to detect pollution hotspots and identify trends. Next DePIN project that I'm currently involved in is Mysterium. Is a decentralized VPN you're able to run by a Raspberry Pi. Different ways you could run it. How I run it is I have a used Raspberry Pi, bought it from Amazon, and it's working great. Earn crypto while you sleep, which is true, happens all the time. Just share your unused internet connection for passive income. As you can see, it's used worldwide: United Kingdom, Germany, France, Canada, and the US. Each residents of those countries are also doing Mysterium, sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Similar to Deeper, another level, using a Raspberry Pi, which is nice. It's easy steps. You download, you connect, then you earn. And the connecting part is different methods. In my case, I use a Raspberry Pi, and then you could just use crypto mining software or operating software. For me, I was using Raspberry Pi. You're able to run nodes. Why run a node? Well, it's easier with crypto. No technical skills. It's very basic. Just follow the instructions. Automate your side hustle 24/7, 7 days a week, and then build a better web, which means a decentralized internet. And what this comes in hand one-on-one with fighting censorship worldwide. A lot of censorship throughout the world, different countries, states, provinces, depending on where you are in the world, there are restrictions. It might even get worse. And so, yeah, just some of the numbers in the network. 18,514. I'm currently running 1, but soon we'll be running 2. And then the monthly traffic, and 148 countries worldwide. And you do earning potential as well, number of IPs, speed of your network, and your location. It varies depending on the demand from businesses and their needs. And feel free to check out link in the description from Miss Nodes Decentralized VPN. Hope my video helped in letting you know how the space of DePIN is growing every day, especially this year. It's gonna keep blooming as more and more as it gets noticed, and the benefits of using a decentralized physical infrastructure network. Hope this video helped and it was helpful. Don't forget to like it. Help a lot. Thanks for watching.